All right, so today we have the controller for the Xbox Series X or S, and I'm going to show you this right now. How we doing, everyone? My name is Dario from mediaboxentlab.com. All right, guys, so we have finally the Xbox Series X or S. You can use it also as well for your Xbox One. A lot of people say same thing. Nah, really, it's not the same thing. There are a few things bundled, a few things you can do different than the other ones. So let's open this. Semi-open already, but show you. Cancel already, but batteries inside. Not much inside. The only thing where you get instructions how to use it. And the Game Pass for 14 days. You get a code there. If you're going to use the Game Pass, you can use that. So keep that on the side. I love the design. Good. Heavy, but it's fine. Now, if you see that on the side, in case with the battery included, already installed it to AA. Now, this is a Bluetooth, low energy, so it should save. It's going to be not wasting a lot of batteries. All right. Now, some of the changes is USB Type-C. Allow you to charge it, play it, connect to your computer right there. Now, the power button, simple and easy to pair. Also, this one, it will update firmware through when you connect it to your Xbox. We see the design, nice. And it doesn't light up now. Yes, okay. So the white light there. Few of the changes you see from the Xbox One now to the Series version, so X. And we have a share button, so like the PlayStation 4 or 5. Now you click here and you can share in your favorite network, Twitch or YouTube or whatever you connect. The redesign, the D-pad, it feels real nice. Oh, this is like not a same paper, pretty much it's like a same paper type, so you want to split out of your hand. I've been using it with no problem. Like it, good, vibrates good. It has a good vibration when you play games. I feel like this is a little odd, the position, the way I have to put my fingers here, but I love it. By the way, headphones right over here, and this is the charger right if you have the charger station. And the nice thing too, guys, you can pair this right with your phone, Android phone. You can pair this with your PC, or you can pair this with whatever has a Bluetooth. I didn't try this, but I'm sure we can use this even for the Switch. Even if you have a Switch, you can use this. It's a Bluetooth. In a Bluetooth controller. So that's one of the changes I made from the previous controller. Because if you hit the Game Pass Ultimate, you're going to be playing right your PC. You can play it right your phone. All right, guys, just to remind you, I will have a review for the Xbox Series X, Xbox Series S, PlayStation console, PlayStation Digital, and all the add-ons right over here in mediaboxentlab.com. I'll see you next time. Bye.